Hello and welcome to the channel. Thank you for joining us on our kitchen renovation. Lots of things are happening now. I've painted the walls and there's still some areas to do. As you can see, it's taped up in the corners, and I'm working on the floor as well. It's so great to have a good pound shop. Where I live, there's a super pound store and I get such good bargains there. And whilst you're painting, you always need a few things to make it easier. So one thing is these sponge pads, which help us to do all the corners and everything. These kids brushes, they really help and stop us from just making mistakes. So if you have them, I really recommend that. Other things I got from the pound store, it's very good to have a good crowbar, especially when I'm prying up these this laminate flooring here. It helps. Got this here just for £3 because when I mix the solution for the floor, I'll need that. If you went to a standard DIY shop, I'm sure that would cost definitely near £10, I would guess. I've got some sponges from the pound shop, and when I'm doing the grout, that will come in handy. A roller set, some good rollers for just £2, great. This is much better than masking tape. When I've painted onto masking tape, sometimes the paint just goes through it, and you end up with more hassle than you ever expected. And so I think that this is a type of frog tape, and it's been a lot better. So here, just some sanding pads. Some of the areas on the walls where I filled it in, it's not come up that great, so I want to have another go at that and have a nice clean finish. And so I got some of these, and they're filling blades, only for £1.50, and then you can always wash them and clean them throughout all the work that you do over the years. For £2.99 I got this here. When I'm applying this, the grout and the adhesive, then I'll need that with the jagged edge so that I have an even layer. Anything else? Let's check. See, £1.50 for some filler there, much cheaper. These are about £1. So like I said, I highly recommend going to a good pound store. It's a good saver. The mix over in the distance there is that was about £20. I had to get that from Wix because I need the right adhesive for the tiles, and these are the tiles that I'm hoping to put on. Some wood effect, and they're porcelain tiles, and so I really need to learn how to put them down. And it's a lot of fun learning something new, learning any new skill. Sometimes we think to ourselves, oh, this seems like such a big job, I don't know if I can do it. And it's important to think to yourself, if somebody else can do it, then you can definitely give it a good go. Especially with all the online help that we have, like YouTube, and lots of you who explain how to do things. It's very it's a way of building our own confidence. I know we've mentioned about building the children's confidence, but our own confidence. Many times we don't set foot and take that first step to doing something, because we don't know how it's going to turn out, and really we don't know how anything is going to turn out, but we must give some things a go, and like I've said, it's a way of saving as well. I'm very fortunate to have people in my life that believe that I can achieve things, and it's very, very helpful to have people around you who think that you're capable of doing something. Sometimes I've not started working on something because I thought to myself, maybe I need somebody else to do that, and somebody more skilled, and like my wife will say, no, I think you should do this, and I've been surprised that I've been able to have a good go at it, and learning new skills is very, very important all around, and it's important for our children to see that as well, because we want them to learn new skills, and this is why we do all of this. We take our kids to all these different things, you know, learning swimming, horse riding, and karate classes, and we want them to be well-rounded as people. And so this is our update for now, and once I start working on the floor, I will make another video, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.